And
Hey, Commissioner, that was actually my question. I have family in town. A lot of people are in for the holidays or wanting to go see the tree or do some shopping for those sales. What should they expect in the morning? What do you want your crews to be out there doing tomorrow?
snowplow. 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 I got a snowplow video. I got a snowplow.
Okay. All right.
I got a snowplow.
Worst spots right
I
now.
got a snowplow.
There's some areas that are more
Snowplow.
pressing than others.
Snowplow. 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 It's a snowplow. It's a snowplow. And on camera.
Yeah, well, hopefully they will heed your warnings to stay home. Commissioner, thank you so much. You guys have a lot of work to do tonight, and of course, we all appreciate you and your crews. No doubt. Thank you so much, Commissioner. Well, the snow is expected to continue throughout the night, and you can stay updated anytime by downloading our free
It was really
app
coming down in New York City. Wow.
top of the weather alerts, road conditions, and much more. And
You
then
can't see anybody sitting anymore.
tomorrow, starting at 6 a.m. for the latest storm updates from meteorologist Danny Dexter.
But coming up next here tonight, we're going to check back in with Lee and Jeff for the very latest on the storm tracks and what we can expect overnight. Plus, the other news tonight, just ahead, new at 11, an arrest now made in the deadly stabbing of a CVS employee on Christmas Day on Long Island. What we now know about the suspect. In New York, in the grips of a record-breaking flu surge, and it's climbing fast. Why experts say the worst may still be ahead.
Yeah, it's still snowing in New York City. Time is it? Is there a time in there? Because it's in the dark. Dark, I can't see the time. Dark. Trying to get rid of the snowplow.